Come on, baby, take it. Let's go. Let's go. What's going on, hook setters? We're out here in the mighty Brazos River today. Gonna be chunking some big baits. Try to catch some alligator gar. Get it off my bucket list. What do I do? Just let it go? So when it stops,
he'll stop and he's gonna start moving again in a little bit. Give it like 10 seconds and then set it. Those fuckers spit it out.
oh damn. Damn. I took too long, huh? Yeah, he's off. Uh-huh. Dang. I saw like 3 alligators.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why she's fine. She loves to go in there.
Oh, really? All right, here we go. Got another one. We ain't missing this one. Things off, bro. Nope, he's on. I don't know if I should set the hook, bro. Ah, come on. Got another one biting over here. Alright guys, can't miss no more. Let's do this. So make him, let him get his first run in, and it feels like he let go. He let go. Let go. Dropped it. Getting a lot of bites, guys, but can't hook up nothing. I was told garfish are tricky. It's coming towards me. Finally, bro. Man, this little dude almost took my damn pole. Finally. Oh my gosh, I ain't even captured it on video. My damn camera was down, bro. Fail. Alright guys, this is a total fail. I think I missed the whole catch, but this was the guy. That was on my line that gave me a fight. This guy right here.
I'm honored
What's going on?
to spend today with you in the Word of God.
it?
And I need to give a shout out to the Holy Spirit for today's
Having a whole
verse,
bunch of fails today.
because it happens to be my favorite Bible.
This guy's about 2.5 feet, 3 feet. Nothing big, but he is a beauty. Beautiful fish. Let's release it. Release it. There it goes. Whew. Alright guys, today was tough. I missed in total maybe 7 gar. I caught one. My camera failed me. Fell down and it was facing my hat, so you probably see all black. If y'all got any tips, leaders, hooks, weights, I'm thinking about using a popping cork. I've seen people use those for gar. I don't know, this is my first time actually fishing for gar, actually trying to catch them, and it's a learning experience. I know they can be tricky, the way their mouth is, the sharp teeth, the way they maneuver. They're just powerful creatures, and I'm gonna figure it out though. My goal is to land a 6 foot, 7 foot. I'll be happy with a 5 foot, but if I can catch something just enormous, that'll make my day. That's on my list. So please share. You see some rookie mistakes that I've done, that you see me do in my videos. Help a brother out, don't talk mess. You have a blessed day. Tight lines.